In this video, I am going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts simultaneously on Android. WhatsApp users can now work on two accounts seamlessly on Android device, eliminating the need to log in and out repeatedly. This functionality is particularly beneficial for those who juggle between work and personal accounts. Previously, users had to carry two phones to go through the hassle of frequent logins. To enable the two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings and then go to Accounts. Tap Add Account and follow the prompts to set up the second account by entering your mobile phone and verifying it. Once set up, switch between accounts by tapping on the three dots and selecting Accounts. As simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.